We wanted to work with ArtCenter because we wanted to get a sense of what this generation of designers are thinking. There were several teams' concepts that we really enjoyed. Of course, there is a particular group that had a very laptop-focused concept called the jigsaw puzzle, where they had a modular laptop design which would cater to whatever creators' needs were. So what had really impressed me was just the level of details that these ArtCenter students would go into. It's easy for anyone to just come up with a concept, but to actually have it become from a thought to an actual product, they had to develop character profiles for who's using the product, age, demographics, hobbies, everything. They had to define the social impact of the product and reimagine kind of the ecological responsibilities that a creator brand would need to have. This is Gigabyte's first time creating a sponsored class like this, and we do feel like we're learning from the students too. The result we're hoping to get from this class was not only to establish a pool of brand ambassadors for the Aero brand, but to also learn from the students itself. Going into the class, we had very little idea on which exact concepts we're going to be able to grab from the students and implement it into the next generation Aero laptop. But we were actually really inspired by all the different students' ideas because their concepts were outside of just product related. It was more into what it means to be a creator. And answering that question is very important for us.
I really enjoy, and whether it's as an alumni or as a worker at Gigabyte, I think this is a very awesome project, and then we wish we can continue working with ArtCenter as well. So far, we have taken so many good ideas and then some of good suggestion or something that we can working on in our future product.
So our interactions with Gigabyte have been really positive at every moment, from the kind of first day of just students exploring their own creative workflow process and getting feedback, just as kind of Gigabyte understanding the students and the students understanding the brand. At the research and development presentation, there was a lot of wild ideas kind of put forward, and there was a reception to actually a full range of ideas. And at midterm, there was a lot of criticality that was brought, but also openness to different ways that these ideas could be explored and expressed going forward.
It's my hope, and I believe it could be a reality to see a lot more of this kind of collaboration. Even though this is our first time, if you consider it as a date, I think our relationship with Gigabyte will become a relationship, long term.
One particular thing we really wanted was to get people from all different majors to come in so that they could cross-pollinate their ideas. And so we have people from product design, illustration design, environmental design, all come in here and kind of share their story, their own way of working, and then to come together to find that solution. And that was really nice to see.